This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series 36B is a Class A RV. It is located in Byron, Georgia, 31008 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Byron-Macon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series 36B is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.